What does Videlicet mean? The word Videlicet is typically used to indicate that information that follows gives more specific information about what was provided earlier in a statement. For example, someone might use the term after making reference to a particular family, and then name the individual members of that family to provide additional information. In much the same way, the term can also be used to indicate that information presented after it is meant to clarify the meaning of a term referred to earlier in the statement. While Videlicet is similar to terms such as idea state, i.e., and exempli gratia, e.g., they cannot be used interchangeably. Though often used as a legal term, the word Videlicet carries much the same meaning in general usage as it does within legal contexts. It is often abbreviated in text uses as viz, in which case it is followed with a period to indicate the abbreviation. The word Videlicet itself is something of a contraction of two Latin words, Videlicet, which means one may see or one is permitted to see in common and legal usage. The word and the abbreviation viz are used as a conjunction, usually preceded by a comma, to join two clauses together in which the second clause expands through specificity upon the first. A simple example of Videlicet in use would be, the Wharton family gathered together at the table, viz. Emily, Daniel, Samantha, and Cornelius. In this example, the abbreviation is used and indicates that the names that follow are the specific names of the members of the Wharton family mentioned in the first clause of the sentence. When read aloud, the term viz is typically replaced with a phrase like as follows, to wit, or namely, depending on what is most appropriate. Videlicet or its abbreviation can also be used to provide clarifications such as my argument, viz that a species of miniature whales should be bred as pets, is yet to be refuted, in which the clause following viz clarifies the argument being referred to in the statement. Due to its somewhat subtle meaning, the word Videlicet and its abbreviation may be used incorrectly. Common terms used in somewhat similar contexts are the abbreviations i.e. and e.g. These terms all have roots in Latin and have been overused in some situations, which have made their meaning somewhat difficult to distinguish. While Videlicet and viz indicate specification is to follow, i.e. indicates the rephrasing of a point or main idea, while e.g. means that what follows are examples of the prior statement.